Hi friends, welcome to Stitchery. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own embellishments out of what is essentially paint and a fondant mold. Fondant, I don't know, you make the call. These little guys here. So, you may have seen this when the video started and thought to yourself, Genevieve, did you just discover the lost city of Atlantis? Well, that is a common mistake. I will show you how you can make your own fine gold embellishments in one easy step, literally. So let me just begin by saying I also have resin kits, and I'll do a tutorial on how to do that because resin embellishments are flippin' cool, but you have to mix things and like beaker drop it and hazmat suit. It's this whole thing. This is some gold glaze paint that my sister gave me. I've been sitting looking at it. It's been on a shelf for, I don't know, a year. And I thought, I wonder, you know, that's how all great things start. So what I did was I took this gold glaze. These little fondant molds I like because they're shallow. Because again, you're gonna want this paint to dry, and I have used deeper molds and they stay kind of gummy back below. So you wanna make sure you get a relatively shallow mold. Take a palette knife, scoop up your goo here, and you're just gonna do like this push and spread motion, like frosting a cake, I assume, having never made or frosted a cake. But I have seen videos on how to frost a cake, and you know what? Looks about like this. So you're just gonna do that, make sure it gets into all the little pockets of your mold. And then I find also if you can scrape the areas that are not the mold themselves, it does help when they come out. So you don't have to cut. Here, I'll show you on this one. See, there's these little tiny gummy tabs sometimes. I just use little scissors, but it gives you a cleaner look there, see? Okay, so you're just gonna do that. Spread it on through, scrape the top, scrape it back into the jar, and voila, that is literally the whole thing. Shortest video ever, right? So let me show you also what I have made with the same process. So this card, Totes Adorbs, right? This is paint. Delightful. I suggest leaving this overnight or a day, weekend. Take yourself on a trip, come back, this will be dry. It's super easy. It shows a lot of the dimension and details, which is kind of fun. And again, it's using products you may already have, like with paints. I know Finnabar and Prima also have a lot of glazes and pastes and all kinds of fun colors and metallics. So check those out too. I'm sure those will work great. And that is just it. I mean, not rocket science. Don't want to make this more complicated. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment if you will, and let me know your favorite paint brand and just how quickly you're gonna try this. Because I think once you see how easy it is and how it's kind of cool and gives you a lot of opportunity, you're gonna be hooked. Look at this. Let me show you one more thing. Look at that. These are still drying, so I don't actually know if it works awesome or not. But this is a mold from Prima, the keyhole thing. I've used this with resin and they're just so cute. So check it out, try it out. I'll have links to all this stuff in here and let's go make some stuff. Bye.